Hi, this is Shane with Balance Pros. I'm going to show you another example of a vestibular exercise, and this is more for almost like a deconditioning of the vestibular system. This would be for a patient that hasn't been used to moving around that much, but they still are lacking proper contribution of the vestibular system towards balance. So we can do a simple, almost like a stop, drop, and roll motion, but I'm going to roll all the way over, come up on the other side of the table, come back down, roll back, come to sitting, and stand up. So vestibular system wise, the sacral is for the up and down movements, and then as I get into the rotational movements, I'm going to get more of the semicircular canals going. But just think of all the time when we were kids, we would roll down hills, or we would be on the merry-go-round, spinning circles. As we stop doing that, as we get older, that vestibular system almost gets deconditioned. Just like if we stop moving around, the cardiovascular system gets deconditioned. Or if we stop lifting heavy things, our muscles get weaker. We see the same thing in the vestibular system. So exercises like this can help to recondition, for lack of a better word, recondition that vestibular system. So hopefully this gives you an idea of something that you can work in with your patients. As always, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you again in future videos.